Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are starting a dropshipping business, one of the most important steps is finding the right suppliers and working with them the right way. In this video, I will show you how to find reliable dropshipping supplier plus my top tips for collaborating with them smoothly. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to understand what makes a good supplier. So basically, a good supplier should have high quality products, fast and reliable shipping, clear communication, and a good track record. You just need to check the reviews, test their products yourself if possible, and look for suppliers that offer tracking numbers. Customers want to know what their order actually is. Then, where to find suppliers? So, where do you find them? One way, through dropshipping apps. Shopify has popular ones like Deserts, Pocket, Drop, and CG Dropshipping. Here you will find it all of them. Like let's search for Pocket and search it here. Here you will find it out here. Pocket US UV Dropshipping. Then similarly, Drop and CG Dropshipping are good. These tools connect you to verified suppliers and let you import products to your store with a one click. You can also try AliExpress, but stick to sellers with high rating and lots of orders. For US or EU shipping, Pocket and Drop are great. They have suppliers with fast local delivery. And don't forget direct supplier directories like Silho and Overload Legacy List. They can help you find niche suppliers. So here you can see we are already using Deserts for our drop shipping. If you see this one, it is a really easy to import products over here. How the easy it is, you just need to go over here and then just find your product from that place. Let's say I am assuming that I am drop shipper who sells glasses. So here you just need to click on add to import. It will be imported. You just need to click, go to the import page, and from that place you just need to push this product on your store. Just click to the post store and it will be pushes here. You can see our product page. We don't have any product here, so within a second our product will be connected with that place. The status will be confirmed here, imported, done. And if I come back and if I refresh this one, it already been imported in here. This is the easiest way. As you can see how easy the process was. Now let's talk about how to reach out and vet them. When you find suppliers, vet them carefully. Message them with questions about processing times, return policies, and bulk pricing. If you plan to scale, ask about sample orders. Order products yourself to check quality and delivery time. A good supplier should answer quickly and clearly. If they are slow to reply now, they will be slow when you have an urgent issue later. Not good enough. Now you just need to build a strong leadership. Once you pick a supplier, treat them like a partner, communicate clearly, tell them about your goals and about your intentions. And then the supplier will be good to you, like expected order volume, how you will handle refunds or returns. Stay professional, always pay invoice on time. If you scale up, negotiate better pricing, faster shipping or branded packing. Long-term relationship mean better service and sometimes exclusive deals. Keep testing and improving always. Finally, always keep an eye on performance. Check that products arrive on time, customers are happy, and your supplies stay available. If problems come up like shipments and bad quality, be ready to switch. Your reputation depends on your supplier's reliability, so never settle for poor service. If this help you out, hit like, subscribe for more dropshipping guides, and drop a comment. What niche are you dropshipping in? Thanks for watching.